Hello and welcome to yet another type of question that comes in time and work topic. Two or more people will be working alternately in a cycle. Okay, like here in this question, A alone can complete a work in 8 hours and B alone can do it in 12 hours and they work in stretches of alternate hours. Okay, they work in stretches of alternate hours. That means when A starts the work, A will go first. For first hour, A will be working. Then in the next hour, B will work. Then again it will be A's turn, then B, and like this the cycle will continue. In second case, when B works first, B starts the work, B will go first. Then in the next hour it will be A's turn, then B again, then A, and like this the cycle will continue. So here total work could be taken as LCM of 8 and 12, 24. Now A takes 8 hours to finish 24 units of work. That means in 1 hour A must be doing 24 upon 8, 3 units per hour. This will be per hour. It won't be per day because unit of time here is given in hours. Rate of B will be 24 divided by 12, that is 2 units per hour. Okay. Now take the first case. A started the work and they work in stretches of alternate hours. That means in the first hour, A will be doing 3 units of work. In the next hour, B will be doing 2 units of work. Like this, in 2 hours, they will be doing 5 units. Okay, they together will be doing 5 units of work in 2 hours. So 5 units of work is done in 2 hours. That means 24 units, the total 24 units will be done in 2 upon 5 into 24. That is 9.6 hours. Now this answer is wrong. 5 units of work is done in 2 hours. 24 will be done in 9.6 hours if and only if these 5 units were done uniformly in 2 hours. But here the distribution is uneven. In the first hour, 3 units is being done. In the second hour, 2 units of work is being done. So in the first hour, more work is done than in second hour. So we cannot do this calculation directly. We will have to go hour by hour, as work done every hour is not same. For some hours it is 3 units, for some hours it is 2 units. So rather than doing this, what we should do is, we should treat this as a set of 2 hours. Okay, this is a set of 2 hours in which A works for first hour, then B works for second hour, and together they finish 5 units of work. So we have work and hour. Total work is 24 unit and a set of 5 units work is being completed in 2 hours. So how many such set could be taken out of 24? Okay, well there can be 5 into 4, 20 units of work could be done. There could be 4 sets of 5 units each. Okay, 5 into 4 is 20. There could be 4 sets of 5 units each, in which A will be going first, then B, AB, AB, AB and AB. So after 4 sets of AB, 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 next A will come again. And time taken to finish these 4 sets would be 4 into 2, 8 hours. Okay, 20 units of work is finished now. When A went first and then B worked, then again A, then again B. Like this, 4 cycles have completed now. Remaining work is 4 units. Next is A's turn again. A will be doing 3 units of work in 1 hour. Now how much work remains? 1 unit of work is still remaining, which will be done by B now. It is B's turn next. B does 2 units of work in 1 hour. That means 1 unit will be done in 1 by 2 hour. So total time taken will be 8 plus 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 9.5 hours. Next is the case when B started the work. Okay, let's talk about this second case. B started the work. So till here, everything will remain same. Rate of A will be 3, rate of B will be 2. One set will be of 5 units, but here we will have B first doing 3 units of work and then A doing 2 units of work. So one set will be of 5 unit, which will be completed in 2 hours. So out of total 24 work that needs to be done, here also B will go first, then A. B will go first, then A. So out of total 24 units of work, 20 units will be done in 4 sets of 8 hours. And next again B will be going. B will be doing 2 units in next 1 hour, 2 units in 1 hour. So 22 units is done so far, 2 units still remains that A will be doing. So A completes 3 units in 1 hour, 3 units in 1 hour. So 2 units will be done in 2 by 3 hours. Okay, 2 units will be done in 2 by 3 hours. So total 24 units of work is done now, and time taken is 8 plus 1 plus 2 by 3, that is 9 2 by 3 hours, which can be written as 9 hours, and this 2 by 3 could be converted to minute. 2 by 3 into 60, that is 40 minutes. 9 hours and 40 minutes. There is one more variant of this question. It can be given that B started the work at 9 a.m. and by what time will the work be completed? The answer we got in this case is 9 hours 40 minutes. So we can add this to 9 a.m. and our answer will be 6:40 p.m. So this was one more variety that is asked in time and work topic. Thank you for watching.